Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup listings from LoopNet, full guide step by step clearly. To backup listings from LoopNet, start by logging into your LoopNet account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Listings section found in the main menu. Here, you will see all your active listings. Select the listing you wish to backup by clicking on it. In the Listing Details view, look for the Print or Export option, usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Click on the Print or Export button. Choose your preferred format for backup, such as PDF or CSV. If you select PDF, the system will generate a document version of your listing. For CSV, it will compile the data into a spreadsheet format. After selecting the format, click on Download or Save to initiate the download process. The file will be saved to your device, usually in the Downloads folder. Confirm that the file has downloaded successfully by checking the folder. Open the downloaded file to ensure all information is correctly backed up. If necessary, repeat these steps for other listings you wish to backup. For a more comprehensive backup, consider taking screenshots of each listing. This can be done by using the screenshot feature on your device. Make sure to capture all essential details, such as images and descriptions. Store these screenshots in a dedicated folder for easy access. If you have multiple listings, organize them properly to avoid confusion. You can also consider using cloud storage services to keep your backups secure. This allows you to access your listings from any device at any time. Remember to regularly update your backups to reflect any changes to your listings. By following these steps, you can ensure that your LoopNet listings are safely backed up. This can save you time and effort in case any issue arises with your account. Maintaining a backup is crucial for managing your real estate listings effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.